In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove remote play connected to PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. And if you are looking for discounts on PS5 games and accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So hover the mouse on your PS remote play screen, this one, and then click here on the PS button. Maximize the screen. Okay, now we are on the here home. You can here see in the bottom home switcher. Then you have to keep on going to the right side and go on the power, and then click the enter button on your keyboard. Then here click on enter rest mode and wait for it to go on rest mode. Now here it says you have lost the connection to your PS5 and we have disconnected the remote play to PS5. So this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching.